CBS News, Washington.
Let's go back to weather. We watched it all morning, kind of just wet here in the metro area, but man, the people out west and down south, they got hit pretty good.
They got hammered. It was big snow they haven't seen in quite some time up there, and for us, it was just kind of a little spit around here. Don't know if you could use that driver assist technology in the snow. I certainly needed it this morning. Take a look now. A beautiful shot from our mousetrap camera over the city. Blue skies, sunshine with just a few puffy clouds out there, and it's going to take a while to melt most of the snow. Temperatures are still kind of chilly out there. We're in our 30s in most locations. And take a look at some of our readings from our weather watches as far as the snow goes. Dave Pullman in West Arvada coming in with 2.5 inches of snow. 5.5 from Pam Bostwick in Littleton, Columbine West area. Over 8.5 in the east of Conifer from Bambi Moss there. Over 10 from John Bache in Coal Creek Canyon. And 11 in Evergreen from Jeannie Tall up there. And take a look at this shot. Sugarloaf Mountain in Boulder. Leslie Topher says she measured 13 inches of snow on the back patio out there. Now here's the storm system moving on out of here. Behind it, high pressure moving in. We're starting to clear out across the state. So we turn our attention to what's coming Friday and on into the weekend. There's a warming ridge of high pressure coming in. It's going to deliver a sunny, warmer day tomorrow. Warmer day on Saturday as well. Then our next cold trough gets in the picture here. Now watch what happens Saturday night into Sunday. This guy just overtakes the Central Rockies and fills in the gaps on Monday. So Sunday and Monday, chance of snow and another cold wave coming through. Want to look at a couple of the early models for what might happen here. And again, several days out, so this just is kind of an estimate of what may happen. One model has about 3 to 5 inches of snow around the Denver metro area. That's called the GFS model. Another one, the North American, has about 1 to 3 inches of snow, and another one has about 3 inches of snow. So it may be another hit like about 2 to 4 in town and more in the foothills and the west side and the south side. So it may be a repeat performance coming up for Sunday. But for the rest of today, mostly clear, and with those clear skies tonight, it is going to be kind of chilly overnight. High temperatures today will be in the 40s and 30s all across the eastern plains, the mountains as well, a few 20s mixed in there, and we'll have 50s out there on the western slope. So my high today, going with about 40. It's a slow warm up today, but with that mostly sunny sky, there'll be a little melting going on. Cold tonight, down around 23, and then tomorrow 59, 68 on Saturday. Going to be a great start to the weekend. And there's that next cold front coming in Sunday and Monday. Mid-30s on highs, 20s for lows, and a pretty good chance of snow coming our way for Sunday and again on Monday morning as well. That cold shot might linger a few more days, maybe
just
3,
when you think
4
it's
days.
getting a little better, boom,
yeah,
hit again.
It doesn't take long this time of year.
All right, thanks, Dave.
You bet.
Snow may have kept you in this morning. It did not deter a mountain lion from taking a stroll through